Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today I'm painting up Gowak the Butcher from Dunkeldorf, and I'm gonna use mainly contrast paints to get my results, so it will be a rather quick video. I base coated the model with Wraithbone spray from Citadel, and yeah, I made my own little cobblestone base using some milliput and a sculpting tool, very simple. So yeah, without further ado, let's get some paint on the model. First of all, I'm gonna take some Dark Oath flesh, and this is obviously for his skin. Next up, some skeleton horde, and this is for his shirt. Now, some Basilicanum Grey, and this is for his pants. Now, a little bit of snakebite leather, and this is for the rope that goes around his waist. Next up, some Psycho Brown, and this is for his apron. And now some wildwood, and this is for the handles of his tools. Next up, some Black Templar, and this is for his hair, his beard, his boots, his bracelet, and also the metallic parts of the tools, though I will be painting them with metallic paint in a moment. I also painted his eyes with the Wraithbone and dots of Black Templar, but forgot to turn on the camera, so apologies for that. Next up, it's time to get some paint on the base, and for that I'm gonna take some Mechanical Standard Grey and thin it down with quite a bit of water. Now, some model color, game color rather, gunmetal from Vallejo, and this is for the blades of the tools, but also any studs on the apron and the bracelet. Now that everything has fully dried, I'm gonna take some Nuln Oil and wash the base and the metallic areas. We are almost done, and the almost final thing I'm gonna do is take some Taminatsu stone and dry brush the base, and after that I'll paint in the base run. So as said, as a final thing, I'll take some model color black, any black will do, and paint the base run. And there we have him, painted up in no time at all. I'm really happy with him. I like the model a lot. He's very different from other dwarf characters, which is appealing to me. And I'm already using him as an NPC in my RPG campaign. So now I actually have a model for him, which is nice. Yeah, not much else to say. Let me know below what you think. Until next time, take care and bye bye.